Hi guys. I just realized we had our warranty repair on this thing 5 times because the problem was our elliptical was just on the carpet and it kept rocking as we used it and it kept wearing out the parts prematurely. And this is just kind of a how to repair that. And they told me we needed a flat surface. So I went out to Home Depot and I got some 1/2 inch plywood, and what I did was, I measured it out to where it would go to the feet to feet, and I approximately got 2 feet by 5 feet. And what I was going to do, since this is a foldaway, is I cut it at a certain point. So I bought 2 door hinges. I drilled holes, like a quarter holes for nuts and bolts, and I used Loctite on those. So those are heavy duty door hinges on there. And this is just I'm going to put some like a thin rubber material around this and use some like carpet nails and nail it down so it'll look cleaner. But this is the general thing, so it's nice hard surface. And I bought this cheap like bungee like cord material with a hook on it, so I hooked it right here, and then I bent the hook and I put another hinge right here. Again, another nut system, and then just put a little bit of a I put green Loctite on that thin one. The door hinge ones, I used blue Loctite. I mean, like I said, you can pop those out if you wanted to. But so I came up with this contraption. You can buy these parts at Home Depot. This bungee cord is usually double the length, and you can just scissor slice it. There's holes in between the components, so this is pretty taut. So the whole idea is when you use your Horizon Evolve 5, now it just drops to the feet and locks into place. See, just like that. Now there's a solid surface, and the rocking does not rock anymore. It's rock solid, actually. So that's why we got this surface, so we can have more stability and our Evolve will last longer. So yeah, and it happens to move that thing out of the way and the feet land on here, so I make it pretty easy. My honey to put it back. She wants to. And that's how it works. And so it can get out of the way and you can open the window, do that stuff, and still have a solid surface. Thanks for watching.